Hello. In this section, we would see how we have solved the reporting and the dashboard problems for the uh, the Space India. First of all, we look at the relationships very carefully for how we designed the solution. So what we were told was that as per the Space India team, the relationship should be one employee should have many customers and each customers will have many opportunities. So that is how it was given to us. And we next go on to the design of the forms. So accordingly, we designed a form which will open up automatically, which is like this. This is the employees view for Space India. So as you can see, you have the last name and the first name, then the customers associated with each employee, and then each customer has got multiple opportunities. So you can buy 10, 15, 12. So now as you can see, it becomes so much more easier than capturing the data within Microsoft Excel spreadsheets across multiple people, because this system is a lot more easier to work upon. The single view this single view screen is a lot more easier for all the telemarketers to work upon. Then the third one was that we want you to look at the standard software reporting. So suppose you buy a standard software and you get all this data, you can get reports such as this. You have the open opportunities report, the closed opportunities report, the forecast per employee report. So now all these reports are going to be static. They would not be dynamic, and they will come from the standard data, which will have all the data for the across all the sources of the leads. However, we have for management analysis gone one step further, right? So what we have designed is that we have designed interactive graphs and dashboards, and we have given the power on for analysis to the team from Space India. So let us just log into the system. And once we log into the system, then we open the specific reports. So we made 3 specific reports for Space India: how found, lead time analysis, and so forth. So if you look at it, we have looked at the estimated revenue by the open date calendar year, and then how were the leads found, the count of the leads found. And after this, you can do a drill down by quarter, by month, by week, and so forth. So as you can see, and then you can do a drill up. So as you can see, it offers managers a lot more flexibility to do a lot of analysis. Similarly, you can look at lead time analysis. So now the lead time, we define it as the difference between your estimated close date and the open date. So so this is the lead time. So you get this graph and you drill down to quarter 3, quarter 4, August, and similarly you can drill up. You will also get a number of neat features which with which you can do a lot more, many more analysis. And because we had very limited scope of understanding, so we made a simple dashboard by just using these 2 graphs. We have also done a probability analysis for the Space India team, in which we have looked at an average of probability sales over periods in time. So that is there. So here the Space India team could actually look at which lead in a consolidated view across both the graphs has given them what kind of estimated revenue and what has been the lead time in one single view, and then do a drill down across both of them in a way. So for the CEO, it becomes very easy to do very good analysis using a single consolidated view. So he can choose whatever method of how found, and then do any kind of analysis that he wants. So you can choose email and so forth. So as you can see, for the management analysis, we're giving you a lot of power. The question here is, why change now from Excel to this analytics tool? So first of all is this point of this analysis over periods in time. So for example, if we open the Space India's Excel spreadsheet, so if we look at this Excel spreadsheet, it's only going to give you, so across all these calling agents which you have, you'll have to otherwise capture the data across all these spreadsheets in different, these are all different Excel spreadsheets. You'll have to consolidate that data, and you can never get this kind of an yearly overview which you're getting here. Otherwise, it will be very, very cumbersome to try and consolidate the data from these different sources. The second is that, of course, is that you will have the flexibility in making management reports, but across multiple users. In spreadsheets, the collaboration across multiple users is very difficult. But here, it's very easy to do new analysis. So for example, I make a new analysis, or I make a new graph, and I pick up my Space India cube, and I pick up a bar graph, and I pick up a year, and I pick up how found, and I pick up my estimated revenue, and this is it. My report is made. So all these users your users can make a consolidated report across across multiple users. So this is what we wanted to tell you in our brief demo, and we hope to get a revert back from Space India. Thank you.